The fidgets I'm bringing on vacation. I bet you guys guessed this one with my dimpled digits. Of course, this pin art piece will make no sound in my bag. What would be vacation without my jumbo hard poppet? We cannot forget my pop tube collection. I mean, is this essential or what? And very last, you cannot forget your jumbo stress ball. I mean, seriously. Those are all the fidgets I'm bringing. By the way, guys, I'm completely joking. I'm not bringing any of these fidgets. They're either too big or like literally too loud or they may pop. I really cannot get these past security, to be honest. So even if I wanted to. Bye, guys. Thanks so much for watching.